understand about the last layer, that is the thermosphere. Second last layer, that is the thermosphere. It is extended from 80 km to 500 km. All the radio waves are transmitted from the earth, from the radio waves for the radios are transmitted, come from the land to thermosphere, then get reflected and go back to the earth. All the radio waves that are important for the radio is started from earth and send it to the thermosphere, then come back to the earth again, reflected after getting reflected. Because in thermosphere, the lower part of the thermosphere have some electric type of particles, electric charge particles. These particles which are present in the lower layer of thermometers are electrically charged. This layer is called as ionosphere. This layer is called as ionosphere. The upper part of this layer, the temperature is again increasing rapidly. From here to here it becomes 104,080 degrees Celsius. It's too much heat. In here, all the molecules can absorb X-ray and short waves also. Short waves are those which are coming from the sun rays. Now the last layer that is important, that is the exosphere. That is the exosphere. It is the last layer of the atmosphere. It is situated up to 1600 km. Okay, and it is does not have any particular border line. It is situated near about 1600 km, but it doesn't have a definite border line. Different type of gases are present here. It is too much height from earth, so what are the gases is not even denoted it. Gravitational pull is minimum in this layer. That means that because it's the highest layer of the atmosphere, it has a very much distance, it has a quite distance from the earth. That's why the gravitational force work here in lesser than the other layers. This is above the layers or the structure of the atmosphere. I am repeating again: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere that we have understand here. These all are the layers of atmosphere. Now we will understand what is the importance of atmosphere. Why this atmosphere, why this layer of air is so much important for us. The basic thing is it's very much important because it's very much needed. The oxygen, the carbon dioxide and the nitrogen which is present in this air, atmosphere, these gases are very much important for both plant and animals and human also, because these are life-giving gaseous things. Next importance are weather. All type of earth weather, that means the precipitation, rainfall, thunderstorm, which are very much needed for living being. The water is very much needed. It's because of the dust particles and water vapor which are present in the atmosphere. Without this, the clouds will not constructed, and if the clouds don't formed, the rainfall will not happen. The next important thing, the presence, this air also look after, even control the temperature. If there is if this layer of the earth, this layer of the above the earth of air is absent, then all the harmful rays which are coming to the earth will harm the plant, animals present in the earth, because the this air layer, ozone, is controlling the harmful rays of ultraviolet which are very much dangerous for us. That is helpful. And it is also controlling the temperature. If there is the atmosphere is absent, the earth's temperature will be much higher than us right now, much higher than right now, which will be a unsuitable condition for living. Now this ionosphere, which is situated in between the thermosphere, the second last layer of the atmosphere, is also important for the radio waves. Without this layer, the radio will not work in our earth. These radio waves needed this ionosphere or this thermosphere which is present in the layer. And the last, this atmosphere allows sound to travel. Without atmosphere, no sound will travel from one particular place to another. Okay, so these are the all important things of atmosphere. We have discussed this chapter and finished this chapter. Please read this word meaning. Gravitational pull means the attraction that an object feels for another object due to the force of gravity. Ozone is the layer where it is formed of oxygen, where it is situated in upper stratosphere, protects the earth from ultraviolet rays. Cosmic dust is type of dust composed of particles in space. Because of these shiny clouds we can see. Ion, it is an electrical charged atom or molecule which is present in the ionosphere. Radio waves, electromagnetic waves that occur on the radio frequency portion in the electromagnetic spectrum. And the last is X-ray, electromagnetic radiation which is given out by the sun is the X-ray. So please read this chapter well. Thank you.